Oh, dude.
TMI.
Yo, this might be the key to success of playing good Overwatch.
I doubt it.
Having to shit.
I highly doubt it.
Hey, we'll see.
Look at our comp, AJ.
I take it back.
Cause someone could shoot him.
I'm ready for a blizzard!
This is gonna wreck.
Blame this loss on our Torbjorn.
Can I get heals? Can I get heals?
I'm dead!
Nice job, Bam.
I've been alive this whole time!
Is that why the road?
What are you doing? I have gold damage! What are you doing?
Congrats, weird brag.
Your DPS also! Like, what are you doing? That was brutal! Still have gold damage though.
I sold Torb.
Hey, Reinhardt just left me alone.
Hey, the Reinhardt was the reason that we threw that point.
We didn't throw it. Reinhardt stayed.
Yeah, you're right. It was just.
That was a fucking 110-mile-per-hour fastball. That's what that was.
Alright, guys. Torb, do you want to heal or. I
Alright,
can
switch
heal.
to healer, Sam.
Hey, Matt, if I switch to healer, will you yell at our Mei to go Pharah?
No,
Fuck you.
I'm just killing it. Guys, fucking Mei.
So what do we need?
Stupid.
Go Mei!
Roadhog, you suck dick.
Oh, I fucking hate her Reinhardt.
This Reinhardt's so bad.
Do you have a Rhine?
No! That is all our Reinhardt.
Damn, we have entered the lair.
Of Elo hell.
We've already been in Elo hell. Ha!
We're too far gone now.
Ah! Why is our Lucio and our McCree the only ones on fire? Oh yeah, because me and Matt are the best.
Oh, nice job. You're on fire, Sam, right?
I was, you
Not
dick!
all the May.
How do I still have gold damage? Huh?
You don't.
I do!
You actually?
Yes, I do! 7, 8, 5, 9.
I
Gold
had
damage.
it. I have 7.
Kill the man!
Help me on my point!
What is happening, bro?
This is amazing!
Oh my god.
This is blizzarding!
Speed boost!
I'm so fast.
Get out of the point!
Watch for the hooks.
Watch for the hooks.
I'm dead.
No! My god, that timing. My
The
shiny
soldier
teeth
thinks
and me. My shiny teeth that sparkle!
Just like the stars in space.
Oh shit.
Where? Zero, dog.
Thanks, Farah.
You're welcome.
Not sure how that was your fault. I mean, I didn't see it go down, but I'm guessing you fucking
No, I blew him
grenaded.
off. He was thanking me because he saved his
okay.
life.
But he still died.
He still died?
Yeah, that was a sarcastic thanks, I'm pretty sure.
Oh. Whatever.
Oh!
So many times.
This is how you play Pro Lucio, am I right?
Yeah, dude. Holy shit, dude! They'll never know you're there!
A
Oh!
would just be like a weird brag. This
That
game
was
is just a
scary.
weird brag.
Almost just shit my pants.
Weird brag the video game.
It's true. Therefore, nothing.
What? How did that Lucio get through you, all of you?
Okay, calm down. He's pretty
Where
fast.
are you from?
Oh my god.
Oh my god! What an idiot.
What? You're a beast.
Roadhog's really gonna try this again? Is he? Okay, I'm dead. That lucky fucking shit. Oh wait, is he gonna try it?
The Roadhog's dead.
This hard dude is getting pooped so much.
Dude, I've booped him 3 times in the same way, and he just keeps going. He hasn't stopped.
See you, Matt!
I know. Worth it. I ulted to kill her, Mac.
And rest.
Okay. Cool.